Hello, Enrico the Wedding Singer here. I'm going to teach you how to crack your lower back. This is how you do it. First of all, you use your two hands and you place it underneath your butt, like so. And then with that position, you tuck your foot under your butt and then lean backwards, like so, and then push. There you go. Consult your doctor, physician, chiropractor. Again, I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.